1, 2, 1, 2. Olá, 1, 2, 1, 2. Pessoal. Olá, pessoal. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Eu tô falando em 3 centímetros aqui, tá? Tô em frequência 10.489.690. Se você dividir pela velocidade da luz, por essa frequência, você vai achar aonde eu estou. Eu vou chamar geral aqui, ver se alguém me atende, tá? Hello, CQ, CQ, CQ. Hello, CQ Satellite, CQ Satellite, CQ Kilo 100. This is a Papa Yankee 1. America X-ray. Papa Yankee 1. Papa Yankee 1, America X-ray. I'm drifting a little bit, but I'm calling the X. Hello, CQ, CQ, CQ. CQ DX, CQ Delta X-ray. CQ Satellite, CQ Kilo 100. This is a Papa Yankee 1, America X-ray. For any call. Testing, testing. Calling the X. Papa Yankee 1, America X-ray. Calling the X and standing by. Vamos ver se vem alguém. Veio ninguém. Hello, CQ, CQ, CQ. Hello, CQ, CQ DX, CQ Delta X-ray, CQ. A Papa Yankee 1, America X-ray. Meu sinal é 58, tá vendo? Papa Yankee 1, America X-ray. Hello, CQ, CQ, CQ DX. A Papa Yankee 1, America X-ray. Papa Yellow 1, Alpha X-ray. Calling in general frequency. Hello, CQ Satellite. Hello, Kilo 100. S-Rail Satellite, Papa Yankee 1, America X-ray. Papa Yankee 1, America X-ray, calling for any call. QRZ, over. Bye. For last call from Papa Yankee 1, America X-ray. Is any more station wants to work in South America, Brazil, or will be off? Beleza. Okay, no problem. Copy, good. Okay, Delta Hotel 5, Radio Alpha Delta, Papa Yankee 1, America X-ray returning. Many thanks for calling. Okay, this is my last call. Okay, you're lucky. Okay, my grid locator. Golf 87 Quebec Bravo. Germany 87 Quebec Bravo. It's only me on this grid locator here in South America and Brazil. Only me on this grid locator. No more stations working on the Q100 on this grid locator. I hope that people coming. I hope. Okay, Golf 87 Quebec Bravo for you. 59 plus your report. My name is Tony Tango Oscar November Yankee. I'm working with only 1 watt, and my antenna is 80 centimeters this with a helix and a point, 3 rings and a half. To receive, I'm using LNB with normal TV cable with PLL established, and coming to my RTL SDR console. This is my working condition. So back to you, Delta Hotel 5, Romeo Alpha Delta from Papa Yellow 1, Alpha X. Tell me the news.
Okay, Papa Yankee 1 X-ray. This is Delta Hotel 5, Radio Alpha Delta back. Hey Danny, your signal here is a little small on my dish. This problem is by my side. It's not knows 100% position to the satellite. But I understand you is no problem here. You want to send copy. Your signal here 8x5, and my grid locator if you is at Nancy 68 Hotel Whiskey near the Bavarian Frontier in southwest Germany. My conditions here that are working here is a 1 meter dish, cut line with 3 6,5 wheels turns, and my transceiver is a Bluetooth with a SQ Lab preamplifier and a 20 watt
PMP.
On the side. Right side is with an external sequence stabilization on the LEO partner, and the combat system is remoted with land camera 10 meter behind the house.
Yeah.
Okay, Mike, back to you. The PNQ1 X-ray, this was Delta Hotel 5, Radio Alpha Delta, go ahead.
Okay, Delta Hotel 5, Romeo Alpha Delta. Please complete my call. Is a Papa Yankee 1 Alpha X-ray, okay? America X-ray. This is my my call. Papa Yankee 1 America X-ray, okay? 100% copy your grid location and your working condition, remote, and your Adam Pluto and your power. Very good. Your 1 meter antenna dish, great one. Okay, very, very good. You are working your station, put me a big signal here, 9 plus 10 dBs, no problem to hear you. Okay, you look to have this signal to work on the pipes here. Okay, this is my last call. Many thanks for the content. I have to turn off my station. And many thanks for the QSO. A good look at the X. Today is a light day, still light day. Very clear, and temperature is 35 degrees Celsius. It's a summer day. 73, good look at the X. Hope to catch you again. Okay, my friend. Dankeschön. Delta Hotel 5, Romeo Alpha Delta, Papa Yankee 1, America X-ray. Paka, paka.
Okay, Anthony, 100% copy. I have your call sign, Papa Yankee 1, America X-ray. Sorry. And please excuse me for English. I'm working on a language. I hope the next day was better. Thank you for this contact to Brazil, and have a nice day to you and your family, and I hope the next time here we on Satellite. Bye-bye and cheerio.
Okay, cheerio, cheerio, bye-bye, thank you. Papa Yankee 1, America X-ray, now QRT. Pessoal me chamando, mas eu não vou atender mais.